a survivor of Super Soldier Project, must fight his former comrades as a masked hero. Jet Li Best Action Movie Black Mask. Directed by Daniel Lee. Release date 1996.